So children, today we have to continue with question number 4 of Try These, page 169. The question is, I am reading the question for you all. An item was sold for rupees 540. Rupees 540 sold means SP. कितना दिया है? Rupees 540. Okay. Then loss was of 5%. Loss is given like as 5%. Children, you can do it in book or in copy wherever you find place. Okay, if you feel I can complete this in book only, you can write in book. Otherwise, you can continue with in copy writing like this. Try this, page 169. In our last class also I told you that in the Zoom meeting when we did 3 questions, question number 1, 2 and 3 we did. We have to continue with the 4th one. So today we are starting with the 4th one. So wherever you did your 1, 2 and 3, you do your 4. Okay, I have no problem. Chalo. So SP is given, loss percent is given, and it is asked to find the CP. Now we don't know the CP, so we assume it as X. Now when loss is given, so it is what? CP minus SP. Okay. Now we know the SP, we don't know the loss, we don't know the CP. Loss is how much? Actually it is in percentage, and we have already discussed that this is the part of CP. Okay, that means if you are taking this CP as X, so this 5% is what? Of X, that is CP. Okay, so what to do? Let this CP or let this लॉस कम दिस साइड एंड लेट दिस एसपी गो हियर. क्यों? क्योंकि एसपी के साथ माइनस साइन है, तो इसको इधर करते हैं तो वो प्लस हो जाएगा. लॉस प्लस एसपी इज इक्वल टू सीपी. नाउ दिस लॉस इज परसेंटेज एंड दिस परसेंटेज इज ऑफ सीपी. यस, सो बिकॉज़ वी हैव स्टडीड नो द लॉस एंड द प्रॉफिट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट? डिपेंड्स ऑन सीपी. लॉस परसेंटेज का भी फार्मूला में इट इज डिवाइडेड बाय सीपी एंड प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज का फार्मूला में भी the profit is divided by CP. So let this CP shift this side. So SP is equal to CP minus loss. Okay. तो हम इस फॉर्मूला को लेते हुए ये हम रफ वर्क में करे हैं, जैसे कि पिछले 3 क्वेश्चंस में हमने किया था. इस फॉर्मूले को यूज करते हुए we are going to write here. So SP is hence CP. What is CP? X minus loss. What is loss? Or just write the formula first. CP minus 5% of CP. Loss is 5% of CP. Or you just write loss also, no problem. ताकि हम confuse ना हो कि हमने क्या लिख लिया. Is equal to SP. ये चीज को हमने लिख लिया. अब CP minus what is loss? Actually 5% of CP, which is equal to SP. Now what is CP? X. X minus 5% of X is equal to 540. बेटा हमको ये solve करना है. So let's start solving. X को X रखेंगे. This is what? 5 by 100 of X means into X is equal to 540. Up 5 ones are 20s are. This 20 we multiply here and here. Why? To make the denominator same. यहाँ पे 1 है denominator, तो हम अगर यहाँ पे 20 multiply कर देंगे, ये भी 20 हो जाएगा. This is already 20. X into 20, 1 into 20 minus 1 into X gives us X by 20 is equal to 540. Now 20x by 20 minus x by 20 is equal to 540. This 20 will shift here. 19x is equal to 540. x is equal to 540 into 20 upon 90. Now 540 into 20 will give us 10,800 something divided by 90, which is actually something 568.42. Children, I have done through the calculator. Okay, that's how I remember the answer. So something like this is your, what are we finding? CP. Okay, something like this is your CP. Okay. Now a very new topic we are going to discuss today, taking an example. Like for example, you or okay, we want to buy. Suppose we want to buy a car. Suppose we want to buy a car. Okay, the rate of the car is suppose 5 lakhs. Short form I have written. It is 5 lakhs. Now children, for if suppose we don't have this much money, we don't have 5 lakhs. So what do? We take a loan. Yes. Do we take a loan? Yes. We take a loan from the bank. Okay. So whenever we take a loan from the bank, that means we are the borrowers. We are borrowing. Okay. So this 5 lakhs is known as principal. What is it known as? Principal. Okay. Okay. And we can keep this money for some time for our use. Okay. After that, we have to return it back. When we borrow things, we need to return it back. Yes. So we return it back to the bank. Okay, and whenever we return the money to the bank, we don't return the same amount. We return something extra. Okay, okay. Bank always takes some interest. Got it? Bank always takes some interest for the money that it has given to somebody. Okay, so that interest, the money, whatever extra is given, that is known as what? Interest. And how do bank or we come to know that what extra money we have to give? That depends on the rate. Okay, that depends on the rate. Okay, or at what rate? At what rate are we getting the loan at the principal? Okay, so this rate is always in percentage. This rate, children, is always in percentage, like rate of 5%, rate is of 10%. Like now the bank rate, even I don't know, maybe 9 to 10% होगा या उससे भी ज़्यादा होगा, I don't remember. Okay, because I have not taken any loan right now. So the rate is always at percentage. Okay, and also there is a time decided. Okay, there is a time period decided for returning the money. Okay, that time can be half year or 2 years or 1 year or 3 years. Okay, so how do we return the money? How do we return the money, or how do we find out the interest? Interest, whatever interest is, the interest that we have to return. What am I writing? The interest is always principal into the rate, that is the percentage. Okay, the interest is always on the principal into rate and multiplied by time. कितने समय के लिए? Because if it is for 1 month, 1 year, so the rate interest is only one time. Okay, if it is for 2 years, so suppose if the suppose for 5 lakhs, 5,000 is the interest for 1 year. Okay, for 1 year. And you have taken the time is for 2 years. So that means you will have to return 5,000 two times, for 1 year, first year, and then for second year. Okay, that is why we use time. Now this rate is what? R percent. Yes, percent means per 100. Okay, so this interest, how do we calculate? We simple interest we calculate as principal into rate into time by 100. You can say PRT by 100. Okay, that's how we calculate the interest. And then the money which we return, the money that we return is principal plus the interest, which is actually the amount that we are returning back. So like for example, if I have taken rupees 100 from my friend, okay, and she's given me at the rate of 5%, suppose. So the interest has come out to be 5 for 1 year. Just this is an example. Okay. So what amount I will return her after 1 year? I will return rupees 105. Okay. Understood, children? So this is a simple formula to find out the interest. Okay. The interest when we take a loan or when we borrow money. So children, again, depending on this interest, we have certain try these at page 170. So again, if you want, children, we are going to do it in book. Otherwise, we can do it in copy also. I leave it to you. Okay. You decide where you want to do. I have no problem. Wherever you want to do, you can do. So this is once again the tries of page 170. Question number 1. Rupees 10,000 is invested. Invested means कहीं दिया गया है, okay, या कहीं डाला गया है at 5% rate per annum. Find the interest at the end of 1 year. So यहाँ पे what is the principal? You can write like this. Principal is rupees 10,000. Rate is 5% PA. PA means per annum. Per annum means per year. मतलब हर साल का. And then time is 1 year. So your interest is P into R into T by 100. So P means, this is 10,000, sorry children, 10,000 into 5 into 1 by 100. So 0, 0 got cancelled. Whatever is left that we are going to write, 100 into 5 is rupees 500. So this is the interest. Do we have to find the amount also? Just see the question. No, it is only to find the interest. Find the interest at the end of 1 year. Okay. So this is how we are going to do. Got it? So today we are going to do till here only. Tomorrow we are going to discuss question number 2 also. So complete your work till here.